I'm Aki, a tax accountant. In this issue, I will consider the additional tax risk due to having my number card. Will registering my number card cause the information to be known to the tax office and raise my tax bill? There is a concern that if you have a my number card, your information will be snooped on and your taxes will increase. Newspapers and other media are relatively pessimistic about the possibility of personal information being extracted. However, the trend in Japan is to promote the my number card. The fact that they are even trying to spread it with point makes some people think there must be some underlying reason. I know precisely how your my number card will affect your taxes, which will help ease any worries about this point. Let's consider this from a tax perspective to see if there is in fact a backstory. In this issue, I will explain whether having my number card will increase the amount of taxes. This video shows you can reduce anxiety by having your own my number card, understand the relationship between taxes and the my number card, help decide whether to have my number card. After watching this video, if you would like more information on how to save your taxes and pay them properly, please sign up for my email newsletter in summary section of this video. I offer a free tax reduction and optimization checklist and the other information here. I provide more specific information than we can discuss on YouTube, so please sign up for the newsletter. Before discussing your concern about increasing your tax bill, let's acknowledge the convenience and the practicality of my number card. While it's true that you can carry it with you every day, you may lose it, for example by misplacing your wallet or card case. At the time, you may have to worry about the misuse of your my number card if you lose it. There is a little chance your personal information will be leaked and misused due to loss. This is because most of the information in my number card is written on the surface. The card has IC chip, which holds some vital information. JPKI AP is an application that certifies no spoofing or data improvements in online identifying verification or compulsory procedures. Confirmation of Ticket Matters AP is an application that verifies whether the my number card has been falsified or tampered with. Coupon Entry Assistant AP, an application to use text data of my number card and basic for information during the procedure. Juki AP, an application to use text data of resident registration card for JukiNet related paperwork. The card contains only the necessary information. For instance, if someone uses your my number card, it will not reveal your tax payment history or income information, ensuring your privacy is protected. My number card can be used to open an account. However, it is difficult to say that an amateur can easily create a fake account by simply stealing a my number card, since a photo on my number card and the three-sided photo taken on the spot in person are required. As a precaution, there is a danger if a password for creating my number card is leaked. For example, a certified residence or family register can be obtained at the convenience store using the my number card and the password. Then, if your my number card and this password are stolen as a set, your personal information such as family register information and the family composition could be known. This does not mean you are safe if you lose your card. Basic things like reporting it to the police and changing your password are necessary. However, it is crucial to understand that all your information will not be revealed just by having the card stolen. Now to the main question. Will registering my number card cause the information to be known to the tax office and raise my tax bill? Having a my number card alone does not mean that the tax office can know your money movements. There are two ways in which your my number card can be linked to your finance activities: the deposit and the saving accounts numbering system and the public money receiving account and registering system. First, we will explain these two systems in detail. And let's understand this with advantages and disadvantages of linking deposit accounts. First, what is deposit and the saving accounts number system? The purpose of this system is to link the deposit account with your my number card, which will be useful in the future in case of inheritance or disaster. Next, the public money receiving account registration system is scheduled to be implemented in 2022. One deposit account per person will be registered to receive benefits such as child allowance, pension, and tax refund. By registering, the application process for receiving these benefits will no longer require the inclusion of account information or a copy of the passbook. One of the benefits of these programs is that they allow you to receive benefits quickly. As I mentioned, they allow people to receive swiftly public benefits such as pensions, tax refunds, child care benefits, disability welfare, public assistance, workers' compensation insurance, and vocational benefits. On the other hand, there is a disadvantage. The national and the local governments will know that you have a bank account at that bank. But they will only know, even if the government understands that you have an account, they cannot deduct your taxes from the account. To have your taxes automatically deducted from your account, you will need to make a tax transfer yourself or you will need to make a direct payment. Although the money will be withdrawn with your permission, you may be worried that the national or local government can track your bank account activity. However, this concern is unrelated to whether you have My Number card. In the event of a tax audit, the tax office will examine the bank account statement regardless of whether or not the bank account is linked to the My Number card. Laws and regulations conduct the investigation. If only local government officers were concerned, they could not examine what was happening in your bank account. Formal tax delinquency and tax evasion investigations are conducted after following the proper procedures. Let's consider some of these frequently asked questions about the negatives of having My Number card from taxes. First, there is a question of whether having My Number card will reveal your side job. However, having a My Number card does not mean your taking is exposed. Your side job will be protected even if you have your My Number card. Usually, the point with being discovered is that you want to avoid your current employer, Company A, finding out about increase in your special collection of resident tax. They notice you are working for different company, Company B. Company A would find out because you have filed a tax return including your side job income and wish to have a special collection of resident tax levy for the entire amount on your tax return. To prevent Company A from discovering your side job income, you should pay resident tax yourself rather than through Company A. In this way, your side job income will not be revealed to the Company A. Going back to the issue of My Number card, having a My Number card does not mean something other than your side job income will be revealed to the company you work for. There may be concern that having a My Number card will reveal the hidden accounts. However, linking a bank account with My Number card has been optional, so you don't need to link your bank account to your My Number card forcibly. The tax office does not judge an account only based on such a name match. When you open an account, you will likely transfer some money from your existing account to your primary bank. The tax office will know that other accounts is in your name by looking at the remittance record of the primary bank account. You don't need to link your My Number card to your bank account. Even if you do not link them, the tax office can find out about hidden accounts this way. These facts indicate that having My Number card does not in itself increase the risk of having to pay additional taxes. Having a My Number card has advantages such as being able to obtain necessary documents without going to the local government office, and being able to use it as an identification when filing a tax return. So there is no need to choose not to have a My Number card for fear of taxes. Another concern is that having a My Number card may make it easier for tax auditors to track overseas assets. This is because those with more than 50 million yen in country except for Japan must submit a form to tax office called the foreign property record, in which they must enter their My Number. However, the common reporting standards has been introduced to identify foreign assets. CRS is the international standard for automatically exchanging financial account information on non-residents among tax authorities in OECD. As a result, if you do not have a My Number card, your property in each country will be provided to the tax authorities in your country of residence according to these standards. If it is not possible to say that simply having a My Number card will increase the risk. A proper understanding of My Number Card will ensure that you can enjoy the benefits of this system. Please use it in your daily life and business. I'll go ahead and summarize today's video. We considered points such as whether having a My Number Card puts you at risk of paying more taxes. To summarize, even if you have My Number Card, the national and local governments cannot know the movements of your account. It's important to note that even without My Number Card, the tax office can legally check your account activity if there is a need to do so. Having a My Number Card is not a direct cause of being discovered whether you have a side job or overseas assets. For these reasons, you should be proactive in having your My Number Card produced. Thank you for watching this video and see you in following video. Bye bye.